Hi, welcome to Sassy YouTube channel. This is jungle art and it's a bird and it's called a cockatoo. How beautiful. It comes in lots of different colors and you can do whatever you want with the colors for the feathers. I just showed you two different types of the colors for the cockatoo. So here are the scissors, open and close them, and you're going to use both hands and you're going to turn the paper. If you don't turn the paper, it's so hard to do this. And notice how my thumb just moved up and got to a different position so I can keep turning the paper to cut this out. And this does not have to be perfect, so if you mess something up, that's okay. We're just gonna glue it down. So here's the glue stick. If you open it all the way, it's gonna ruin it. You just need a tiny bit, so put it right back there, and when you're done with it, really make sure you snapped it shut and it's not open all the way. Alright, it's glued to the edges. Smooth this out. Great. Now you're going to take your fingers. Your fingers are going to be a lot smaller than mine, and you're going to trace them. And these are going to be for the feathers. It's going to look super cute. But I'm going to just show you what to do. And you don't have to trace all your fingers, but you can choose how you want to do that. And then what you're going to do is take a marker. I'm using a Sharpie, but a marker will work just as well. And if you want to, you can add details. These are just lots of U's back and forth over and over and over and again. But again, this is a choice. So you can add feathers or wings to it if you want. You can add this branch. And then what you can do is you can get out a crayon. So we're coloring it in with a crayon, and we're going to really press down hard and fill it in. So yeah, you can choose what colors you use. You don't have to copy what I'm doing. I just decided to make these colors because I thought that would look cool. But you can make it the rainbow like you saw, or you can make it blue, you can make it green, whatever you want. But this is what I have chosen to do for my artwork. So this is the background. It's where your bird is. So I'm going to make it into a jungle. And in the jungle there's tons and tons of greens, so you can use different greens, and I'm just making really big leaves. I'm filling in my branch. The more you put on this, the more interesting it's going to be, so just keep going as you fill this in. And I'm just drawing with a crayon. I think it looks just fine. I have some turn lines to make the leaves and pressing down hard, and down here I'm going to make it super big. But you could use blue, you could use green, different greens, you could use different browns, whatever you want. I'm just giving you some ideas for your background. So this is some jungle art, and we started off with a cockatoo, and now we're filling it in with lots of cool ideas for the background. Yep, I'm going to darken in my lines, put a little bit more detail because I have time to do that. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing. Enjoy!